Function description FGBoost staircase light remote control. Set progressive mode. Set full light mode. Right button to increase color temperature and adjust white light. Left button to reduce color temperature and adjust warm light. Press the button below to decrease brightness. Upper button to increase brightness. Set color temperature gradient mode. Set follow mode. Set cycle mode. Reduce step progression. Increase the number of steps. Reduce lighting speed. Increase lighting speed. Set the constant on light mode. Turn off the lights. Turn on the light. Trigger the upstairs sensor. Trigger the downstairs sensor.